In this video, I'm looking at a way to make money with affiliate marketing using YouTube, where I don't need to use my face or my voice, or even make the videos from scratch either. And it's in a niche that you probably didn't think about considering before. Now, I'm almost 100% sure that you did not see a video like this one yet. Well, I did say almost, so please don't hold me to it. Anyway, I'm going to experiment for a bit to see how possible it is to make money with a solar power YouTube channel. Not a channel that's powered by solar panels. Let me explain. Basically, solar technologies convert sunlight into electrical energy through either these panels here that allow this energy to be used to generate electricity to power lights or batteries or something like that. Look, this video is about making money with affiliate marketing, not learning about science stuff. Plus, that's as much about it that I know for now. So before we get into the traffic source, which is obviously YouTube, let's say for a moment that we did make a YouTube channel about solar panels, solar power, doing it yourself, and saving money by using solar technology. Wouldn't it make sense to conveniently provide a training specifically on how somebody could do this themselves? Let's say my channel here was about solar technology, and this video here covered some cost-effective ways of setting that up. Now let's say in one of your videos it linked to a product sales page just like this. What? Yeah, I said your videos because you're going to try this too, right? Don't just subscribe and hit the notification bell. I mean, yeah, subscribe and hit the notification bell, but make sure that when you do that, you try this method too. Anyways, what I'm saying is that when somebody goes on a related product like this, that sells them on how they can cut their power bills by 65%. Sure, it leads here with how somebody can save 65% on the power bills. And that's because that would be the motivation behind somebody taking an action here. And what this product helps with is, in order to save this amount on their power bills, investing in this product here is going to show them how they could set this up themselves, and it's by creating their own solar panels. And it's a video training, which is also a very low one-time investment that is going to help them on a monthly basis to save money. And since this product is totally related to a YouTube channel around solar power, this would boost the chances of somebody actually making a sale. Am I right? Wait, I'm not. Well, let's just say that I was wrong and you were right. History has shown that if you keep following up with a prospect that may or may not be interested, then after following up, they still might not buy. But they might. And the only reason that they did purchase is because you followed up with them. And how I will do that here is by sending them emails, reminding them why they should buy this product. Now, I will definitely not be coming up with the information for those emails myself. And to find a product like this one that we're talking about, it's on clickbank.com. So register for an account for free. And once you're logged in, click the marketplace and come down to the left-hand side here into the different categories and select green products. This first top ranking offer here, hot new offer, Backyard Revolution. This product here, this affiliate product here, is a new video guide on how to build a 3D solar panel. And this is the sales page that we were just looking at. And as I mentioned, I will not be coming up with the information myself, since there are already proven scripts on what boosts sales. And to find that, you just go on the affiliate page by clicking here. So this page basically has everything that we need to start making sales. And in case you didn't notice, this is 75% commissions with a really low refund rate, which is why this is a particularly interesting product to start promoting. But regarding the emails that we're going to use to follow up with them, just keep scrolling down and you would see email swipe. Everything is done for you here already. You even have a subject line, the body of the email, graphics, a story, another email. I believe it's about 3 different emails here you can use. There are also keywords here that you can download, but we'll get to that in a minute. And the reason why they've suggested to use these emails is because it has been proven to make them sales. And the more sales that you make is the more money that they make. So be sure to grab those email swipes or just leave it in another tab. But make sure and save your affiliate link, because without that, you can't make any money. Alright, I didn't show you how to do that. Back in the marketplace here, you just hit promote, then hit generate hop links. And here's your affiliate link that you'll be sharing in your YouTube description. Now that you have that, how could you even get the email addresses so you can follow up with them? Well, you could tell them that you're giving them the course for free, and they'll be happy to give you their email address, right? But then you won't make any money, and that will just defeat the purpose of this. But there is something that you could give them for free in exchange for the email address, and it will also cost you nothing. Like maybe a DIY do-it-yourself handbook on solar panels that you can grab for free over on pdfdrive.com. So as you can see here, with a free account, you can grab a few of these to see if this method works for you. Now you have a related valuable product that you can give to them for free in exchange for their email address. So you can start sending them those emails to buy the video training. Now we have to present this PDF to download in a way that's easy on the eyes and easy for them to click download. And we're going to set that up for free using this tool called System.io, which not only is it the #1 e-commerce platform on Trustpilot, but you can create the landing pages for free. But you can create these sales funnels, these landing pages for free. Send these automated emails for free and automate the marketing process for free as well. And this one is not a free trial or anything. As you can see here in their different plans, you could use this free plan and do a lot of things for as long as you like. So if you're following along with this method, use my link in the description to get started for free. And once you hit this button, fill out the basic information, hit sign in, hit funnels, then click create. Name it to anything you want, like smash the like button. Actually, that's not appropriate for the name of this funnel, but it is appropriate for you to do. Maybe we can call it solar panels. And we're choosing here to build an audience because we're going to collect emails and then send them those email swipes that we got on the affiliate site. Hit create. And there are a bunch of templates here to choose from. Remember, we're giving away a book, an ebook for free in exchange for the email address. So let's look for an option here with as little customizing as possible. Here's one, but this one pops a little bit more. So let's hit preview to see what this one looks like. Okay, we're going to roll with this one. So all you have to do next is hit select, name the page, then hit edit page. What we should do here is make the connection by having the same PDF cover. So once you've gone ahead and download your PDF, and this is what the PDF looks like, Solar Power DIY Handbook. It's quite detailed, but what we want to grab from this is just the cover photo, the book cover. So grab that using any screenshot tool that you like. I like to use this tool called Snagit here. So back to the landing page now. To change this image here of the book cover, you simply just click it, go over to this side here, hit upload. I'll just drag and drop the photo here that I just got the screenshot for. Here it is, and just hit insert. That looks good. Now we want to make sure that we have an appropriate headline. Now remember, this is just an example. Taking the headline here exactly, of course you can modify it. Alright, I think this looks good. So I'll just hit save changes. And you want to modify this button so that when somebody hits download now, they get access to this PDF as well as you get their email address. So hit that, action and button clicked, download file. Remember where you saved that PDF because now we need it. Here's mine, and then insert. So once I hit save changes, this landing page should be good to go. So I'm going to hit preview to see what this looks like. Whereby when somebody clicks on the URL to this page, type in their first name, the email address, and then hit download now, they would then receive the PDF. But in order to send them the emails for them to actually spend money so that you get money is by doing this. Let's come out of here for a second. What you want to do is go up to automations and then hit workflows. Create, call this one solar or anything that you want. Go in, and you want to start creating these triggers. The first one would be to send that one-off email. Send an email to the contact. If we had some emails saved, you'd find them here, but we didn't create that as yet because it's a new account that we're using to show you how you could get this done. So hit create a new one, starting with the subject. Remember, you're not coming up with this yourself. So let's head back to the affiliate marketplace, ClickBank, on this product here. This is the affiliate site. Here's swipe 1. The first email, the subject line is right here. Copy and then paste it back over here. Save and edit email. For the body of the email, again, we're not coming up with any of that information. It's right here. So I'll just copy all of this and then paste it right here. The only different thing here is at the end here where it says click here to see what this disaster-proof, recession-proof backyard power plant can do for you. We want to make sure that this is your affiliate link. So you highlight it, link, and to get that link again, you go back to ClickBank, hit promote on the product, then hit generate hop links, and hit copy here to grab that affiliate link. Paste is back in here now, and that's that. Then in the email however you like. And when you're done with that, go up to the top of the screen and hit save. Go back to the workflow next, hit the plus sign, choose a delay, which I would suggest a day or two. And after a day, you create another email, send an email. But we don't want this email that we just created. We want to create another one. So you guessed it. All you have to do is come back to the affiliate page, grab swipe 2. And when you finish with that one, you then grab swipe 3 and repeat the process going down here. So when you finish setting up those different emails to go out and you have the link to the landing page with the PDF setup already, what you have to do next is now generate traffic to that landing page. And that's to consistently send traffic to that landing page over time. So finally, let's look at YouTube. Now, I did say we're not going to be using your voice or face or anything like that. I'm not starting videos from scratch either. So have a look at this channel. It's called Cleverly. Now, this is just an example channel where they show different types of hack, multiple ideas. But the reason we're looking at this is the style of editing. Take a look at these videos. It's basically some different clips that are put together, clips that they found on YouTube and other social media platforms. This is what it sounds like. It's just background music, no voiceover. The interesting thing here is that a lot of these clips here, the original clips, possibly had a voiceover. Some had, some didn't. But this channel here gets a lot of daily views. And as I showed you, all they're doing here are posting different clips from different videos that they found on the internet and has a backing track playing behind them. So what I'm suggesting is doing something similar to this, but for solar technology type videos. Let's say you search for solar panels DIY. There are a lot of videos that you can download and use clips from them, like this one right here. By simply searching in Google for download YouTube MP4 or a similar search term. There are many sites like this one that allows you to paste the YouTube link and then hit convert and download. Alternatively, you can click filters and select Creative Commons if you want to use possibly the entire video clip, like this one right here. Because with the Creative Commons license, the creator here gives you the rights to reuse their video. So that's how you'll get the content to make the videos. But I strongly suggest that you start with the video ideas first and start making some videos that would allow you to rank easier in the search engine, especially since you'll be a brand new YouTube channel. A good starting point is to go back on the affiliates page and go down to click here to download all keywords. And what this serves as is a good starting searching point. By grabbing this one right here, pasting it into the search engine, and then get video ideas here, as well as the keywords that you could rank for. So taking that same solar energy benefits, you could use a tool like TubeBuddy, which I like to use. I also have a link in the description below for this. Paste it into here, and not only would you see how competitive this is to rank for, but you also see related searches for this term, where you can make other videos on. You can hit video topics and get additional ideas here, like this one, do solar panels work? And by creating a video with a title like this, it gets the person in the thinking that they should look into a solar panel. So this is exactly how this method is going to work. So let's say somebody searched for this term, do solar panels work? And because it was low competition, you would have ranked in the first set of results. So let's say this was your video. Using clips that you found from YouTube like I showed you, as well as other social media channels that you can use. By the end of the video, they got enough value, so they decided to check the link in your description. And when they come down to the description right here, just like this person has links, the idea is when they click the link, which will be the link to your landing page, it then takes them to your landing page here, whereby in your description would say get this solar power DIY handbook for free. And when they click that link, it would then take them to this page, where they made the connection because they saw solar power DIY handbook. Everything that you just mentioned, they would then fill out the information here, hit download now. You'd get their email address so you can email them. They would get this really cool handbook. And over the next few days, they would start getting these emails from you, pitching the product that you have. And when they click it, they're taken to this sales page over here, where this company does all the selling for you. And when they hit order now, then you get paid. Now, I will keep you all posted on this because this is an actual project that I'm trying. But most importantly, the selection of video ideas is crucial because this is the traffic source that we're going to be using to get clicks on a continuous basis. And I go through that in way more detail in this video, where I analyze some videos and channels, especially a very small channel. So check that out next.